Hello and welcome to the video tutorial series by Brainstorm Force. I'm Aniket and this tutorial is about info lists. Info list is a creative way to display the boring HTML list on your website. This element offers numerous options to help you create beautiful lists as per your website's requirement. Right now you are looking at the demo page that I have designed to display numerous variations using info lists. Now let's have a walkthrough and explore the available option. You can display info list with custom images, icons having different borders, and backgrounds. Here I have used backgrounds for my icons, and custom images with different borders. When we'll go in the backend, we'll explore each option one by one. I'll just click on edit page and go into the backend. So here we are. Now before proceeding, you need to know the parent-child functionality. So this is a parent block and these are their child elements, well explained in a separate tutorial available in our playlist. Now let's see how to add an info list into a row. You can add info list by clicking on add a row, and when the row is inserted, click on add element, ultimate VC add-ons. Clicking on info list will insert a parent block in that particular row and give you a list of parent options. Let's see. Yep, here we got a parent block, and clicking on add a child element, you'll get to add a child element to that particular parent block with the properties of a child element. Let's see. Yep, here we have a parent and a child within. You can create multiple children which will belong to the same family. So we'll now try to edit a parent block using this edit option over here, and that will give us a list of properties that will be applied to the family of this parent block. Let's start with first option, icon or image position. You have three options over here, left, right and top. We'll see their examples. Here I have selected the top option. Icon on top will make my icons to be listed on top. Icon on left and right will help me show my icons either on left or right. Here are the style of image or icon. You can choose from 5 options, different shapes that you can choose your background or borders to be in. Now just remember, choosing with background will allow your icon to have a background, and choosing without background will allow your icon to have just a border. So here I have chosen with background. You can see the background over here for the icon, and choosing without background will just let me have a border for my icon. When you choose without background, you get to select various border styles like solid, dash, double, etc. So as you can see here, I have implemented different options in which I can choose different borders for my icons. And with border, there are other options like border width, border color that come along. You may be familiar with the options that come along with borders. You can also select if you want your connector line to be animated. Connector line animation takes place on page load. You can also choose the color of your connector line to match to the theme of your website or to match to the theme of your info list. Icon background color, icon color, And icon font size is something that you can apply to a complete family, because each family will have a consistency of color and styles. So here, as I apply color for my icon, color for the background of my icon, as well as the icon font size. So that's all with the properties of a parent. Now let's explore the individual properties of a child. I'll choose a particular one so that I'll be able to explain you properly. Let's consider this block and edit this particular child. Child element has its own set of properties. You can assign a different title because each child will have different titles. Icons to be displayed. Here you got two options, whether you want to use font icon manager, that will give you an option of choosing from heavy list of icons, or you can choose a custom image that can be selected from your media library. Let's proceed with the font icon manager. You can apply an animation to the icon that you select. Here is a list of lots of animation style that you can select for your icon. Here we have the TinyMC editor, in which the description part goes. Whatever text you will enter in the TinyMC editor will be displayed below or next to the heading, depending upon the icon or image position. So that's all with the properties of a child element, and that is how info list works on the concept of parent-child functionality. I hope this tutorial helped you in understanding the basic concepts of info list. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which consists more of such videos and tutorials to help you. Thanks for watching.